Hello guys and welcome to the new lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn that how to use the accordion widget in the web application. So for that, what is the method to use the accordion, right? uh, for the header h2, I'm going to use the h2. This would be the accordion heading, right? And then for the paragraph, this will be inside the div, and this would be the accordion paragraph. So now all these things I'm going to copy and pasting this 3 times, and now what I'm going to do after that, I'm going to write div id. This should be accordion. I'm assigning the id accordion, you can name it whatever you want, and I'm going to close that over here. So as you can see that all these things are over here. So now I'm going to the index.js, and this is very simple. Accordion widget is very simple to use. Accordion. Why I have assigned the hashtag accordion? Because we have a div with the id of accordion, right? So index.js dot accordion. So now I'm saving the file. When I will refresh the file, you guys have noticed this is very simple. Accordion is very simple and very attractive. You can see that we have allotted the h2, right? This is the heading of the accordion. As you can see, this is the heading of the accordion, and inside the div accordion paragraph, we all these things which will be inside this, the body of the accordion, this will be inside the div. So guys, accordion is that much easy and that much simple to use. So I hope you guys will understand this, and I will see you guys in the next class with some more widgets. So till then, stay tuned, have a nice day.